Hi all, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you bluish pink smoky eyes which you can carry on any festival, and today my focus is going to be purely on eyes. So let's get started and see how I achieved this. So I'm showing you to prep my face. I've used the Body Shop Vitamin C moisturizer and glow mist, and this is really hydrating. Then I have used Bae Setting spray just to prime my face a little bit and give more matte finish towards my makeup. I'm using primer, so I've used today two primers, but for you it's not necessary. One is tinted K Beauty Peach Primer, which is really very soft and absorbing, and I'm just blending this. See, primer is really very important if you want long lasting makeup, dewy makeup, or matte finish. I'm also adding Vitamin Glow primer by Smashbox, and this I'm doing because this I feel gives little bit of glow and extra moisturizer. Otherwise you can use just one moisturizer and other skincare, your regular tips and all, so that should be fine. Okay, now I'm moving towards the strobe cream. This is MAC Strobe Cream Pinklite, and for the illumination my base should look flawless and illuminated, reason why I'm just using this on my face, and I'm blending this all together. See, you will have to blend this very well. And why am I layering my makeup so much? Because the end result would be superb and flawless, and you won't see your makeup is cakey because you have given so many layers of hydration to your face. Your makeup would not look cakey. So ensure before makeup you do your skincare well, you moisturize your face and just illuminate and everything. I am also moisturizing my lips, prepping my lips with Himalaya lip balm. Moving towards my eyes, I have Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette, and I'm taking blue color. So before this I have already done transition with light pink. You can take light pink or coral, and take any dark blue and just start stroking from the outer corner. So today we are making a little bit smoky, which would be from the outer corner. So you can see I've taken this good purple blue, and I have just blended it through outer corner, so you can see both the eyes. Also, I've got the sticky tape on, and I am taking this pink shade, so that in between I am just blending this with transition shade and blue shade with pink. So in between my shade would be pink, you can see like this. So you need one blue color, one pink color, and one transition shade, and you have to mix it all together one by one. Do not go in hurry and mix all together, because then you won't see the shades how you can see here. It is just light and then pink and blue. I am doing eyeliner by this Maybelline, Colossal Maybelline, and I feel this is very easy and quick, and it glides very well. I have Lakme 925 palette, quad palette, and then I'm taking the yellow shade just to highlight my under eye. You can just inner corners of my eyes. I'm also taking color board palette which I bought from Amazon, and I'm just taking golden shimmer and only putting in the center, so that it just gives you that the effect of uplifted. I am taking MAC Kajal, and this is blue in color, so I just want this to complement my outfit. So because my outfit is pink and blue, so I just ditched my regular black Kajal, and I'm filling my lower eyelids with blue, royal blue MAC Kajal. I'm just taking this off all the tapes over, and I'm taking the wet wipe and just wiping my face, whatever the dust extra. I did my eyes before because I wanted to show you. Today my focus is on eyes. For face you can just follow my other videos. Please see my other videos too. So I have this Smashbox voluminous mascara, which is absolutely stunning, and I'm not using any false lashes because sometimes I feel it is too heavy. I have taken MAC Studio Fix NC20 foundation. This provides like full coverage. And then I'm taking this product, which is from Inside Cosmetic HD Conceal and Correct. So I'm just color correcting my face with peach. So if you want to choose any color corrector concealer palette, I would highly suggest you to take this Insight. And this is not any promotional, this is my real experience, because I feel the coverage is so good and it is non-cakey and it is quite affordable. Within 200-250 you get these shades. So now I have two concealers, one is light, one is dark. This I have noticed that if you mix these two, light and dark, you get highlighted effect, and also it covers whatever the pigmentations you have. So just blending it all together, and this is how I just wrapped my face, doing rest of my face makeup. So today as I told you, my focus was on eyes, so this was a little quick video for you, so that you know you can also see how my eyes are done, and you can give an attempt. You can ask me any questions you have in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching and giving me your valuable time. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, like this video.